supporting that outside feel. Now both legs hold him straight. Your eye level finds the fence. That's it. Now he wants to be straight. He wants to be correct. 3 more times back and forth. And now a little half halt and then a little give. This kind of helps to transcend into the jumping for him, where sometimes he wants to bid a little bit or get a little strong as he gets to the base. So if you think about 3 to 6 steps out at the trot here, adding a little half halt, so he wants to balance himself off to the base, then that's going to help when we get to that canter. That's better. 2 more times.